Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and now we will be unboxing my new product called Atomy, for which I am a member and I am a distributor in that. It's a very good product, and I would want all of you all to just go through the product and see the product. And the product is really awesome product, and I would recommend all of you all to be a member of this great product. I'll now start unboxing all my products, and you can see what all I have booked. You can see all this product over here. This is Atomy toothbrush, the Atomy Dairy Mask. You can see Atomy Hydra Brightening, makes bright skin with fresh and deep hydration. Then you have Atomy shampoo, and this is Atomy scalp care. It's a shampoo. Along with this you get a conditioner also. This is a hand soap, and these are the toothpastes. This is a hair tonic. This is a sunscreen. This is a BB cream, and that's a Atomy mask. So all these products are a Korean product. So if you see on Google also, you'll find that they are one of the best products. And since in India the K series are so famous, the products have been launched over here. You can see them. Most of the products are being used by them, and very lovely product. You can really find like it's very nice and useful product. You can find this product to be very useful to skin, like this toothpaste. It is really so good that all your tooth decay or gum pain, everything is cured on regular use. You have to use it continuously for 3 months. It's really good, and I would rather say that better than any product that you can find in India. And this scalp care is very good for hair fall and all. And this sunscreen and BB cream, these are very good for girls. The hair tonic and conditioners, these are really good. The dairy mask that you can see over there is like a mask that you wash your face up and put it on your face, and just allow you to detoxify your skin, remove all blackheads. So it's a very good and nice product, lovely product. I would want all of you all to join this company. It's a free membership, and you can join through me. I'll give the description and details on my mobile. It will be flashed on that. Details will be flashed, and you can join me and be a member. It's free, and you earn points in that. The more you purchase, the more you earn points, and you can become a star maker, a star master, and a diamond. You can reach till becoming a diamond master, where you can earn handsomely. It's a lovely product to look at. You should surely try this and be a part of Atomy. Atomy is going to take over all the FMCG products in India very soon. And this is the time for you all to join, because later on there will be joining fees in this. But that's what I hope so, because once they are famous, then there will be a joining fees. But as of now, since it is launched newly in India, it is free membership. And if you look at on the website of Atomy, you will know that it is having its presence in almost 100 plus countries. So it's a very good product. Please do visit the site and contact me if you would like to join me, and you can be a part of it. Thank you. Bye. So as you've seen the product, I would like all of you all to be a part of this. Please ensure to join my membership and be a part. I would like all of you all also to use this product and seek the benefit of this product. It's a very good product, nice product, lovely product. So please do visit the website. Please do subscribe, and please share my video, subscribe and press the like button, and surely join this franchise. It's a very good setup, a startup a company, and you all can be earn parallelly as you work or you are at home. Especially the women, they can be earn their extra income, and they can use their contacts, and they can surely join this company. For joining this, you just need your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, and your bank account cross check, which will be uploaded in the system, and a message will come to you as for your membership number, and your password will be sent to you. And once you are a member, you can order for yourself, and you can even sell it at a retail price. You will get it at a distributor price, which is almost 20-30% lesser than the retail price, but you can sell it at the retail price to your family, friends, and you earn money on that retail price money also. And even if you are becoming a distributor, you earn PV points, and that which will help you to grow, and then that will be converted into financial amount which will be coming to your bank directly. So I would like you all to be a part of this product. It's a very beautiful product and nice product, so surely be a part of it, and let's grow this chain, and we all be a member of Atomic. Thank you.